All right, y'all. Hi. I'm gonna attempt to bake, even though I don't bake. We're gonna try to bake some blueberry and banana bread. Should be a fun time, right? Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I watch a lot of Tasty episodes, and that's actually where I got this recipe from, is off the Tasty app. So here's a look at all the ingredients. I'm gonna use some eggs, blueberries, yogurt, flour, honey, some vanilla, some baking soda, and your bananas. Yeah, you ready to bake? Oh, she got the honey. First, we gotta set the mood. Alexa, play good baking music. She said she couldn't find any good baking songs. Alexa, find songs to cook to. Oh, I know. Alexa, play 50s music. Hey, okay, I see you. Jeez, you ever attempt to bake or cook or do anything around a toddler? It's a madhouse. Wait, you wait. I got a special. I know. I'm gonna get you some stuff to do. We ain't gonna do that yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Ooh, we ain't even started yet. I already found the butter in between the couch cushions. Lord have mercy, Jesus. So this is what I'm going to attempt to be making. This is supposed to be what it looks like. This is a rundown of how it goes, all the ingredients, yada, 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 da-da-da-da-da, all that good stuff. And then this is supposed to be the final result. So we'll see if mine looks anything like it. We're gonna mash this up. I don't have a whisk because I don't bake. This seemed to be doing something. Ooh, that's a lot of work. Oh, this is doing something. Okay. Man, that's a good workout. You know what I mean? See, I don't worry about having no hand strength because I got people and toys to do that for me. Right? That's coming together pretty nice. All right, so next it calls for half a cup of yogurt. Half a cup. That's a tablespoon. Oh. 4 ounces of yogurt. I'm just gonna use this to measure everything because I ain't got measuring cups yet. Because I don't bake. Oh, that's kind of stinky. I think that's still good. Hey, don't worry, Bubby, hang in there. I'm gonna let you do the blueberries. Okay, so what's next? 1/3 cup of honey. I got the honey. Yeah, it's like 1/3, right? I really probably should be measuring this out, but okay. Oh, teaspoon of vanilla. Because I know honey's strong. Oh, it's clear. I didn't expect it to be clear. Oh yeah, that's strong. I know, expected like yellowish for some reason, you know? A teaspoon of baking soda. Which one's a teaspoon? It's the same one I just used. Okay. Oh. Okay, there's that. And then 1.5 cups of flour. Oh, maybe I should mix some of this. I'm gonna mix some of this. Bubby, what you doing? You too quiet over there. Oh, she playing with pens. I'll be right back. You cannot leave toddlers alone for a second. 1.5 cups of flour. I like to pour it over in case, you know, so the extra stuff can go in there. Oh. Is this giving anybody anxiety right now? I mean, not using a measuring cup. Well, this is kind of dry. It's real dry. Is it supposed to be that dry? Now for the blueberries, 1 cup of blueberries. Good job! You did it! Yay! I applaud every person out there trying to film something, content with, oh, that's hot. Kids, because this is no joke trying to film content with kids. This is hard. How y'all make it look so easy? All right, how's that look so far? That's not too bad so far. All right, so the oven's almost done. It's almost about to go in, but take a look at it so far. Ooh, that looks like it might turn out pretty good. Yeah. 8, go, go, go. 8. Okay, and in we go. We're supposed to do this for, it says 50 minutes, but I'm gonna check on it in 20. Okay, timer just went off. I'm gonna check it out, see how it looks. Oh, that's looking real nice. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more. Maybe like another 15 minutes. I wanna get it nice and brown. Timer just went off. I'm so excited. Ooh, yes. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Look, I did a thing. I'm so proud of myself. That looks amazing. Oh, it smells so good. All right. We did it, y'all. We did it. I'm so proud. I want to kind of just like, ooh, that's solid too. Nice. All right, so I'm gonna let this rest and then let y'all know how it tastes. Yes. Ooh, you got a blueberry. Careful, it's hot. It might be, oh man. Well, it's pretty anyway. Y'all have no idea how excited I am about this. I had never baked nothing my whole life besides like the pre-made cookie dough that already comes in the squares. I never baked nothing before. I'm so proud of myself. I feel like such a home adult. Okay, come on. How they do it. Ooh, it's still a little soggy. I should probably wait a little bit. But I'm so excited. I can't just like, I just want to. I saw this as a kind of knife they used in the video, so I'm going to use this one. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, to sit a little bit. It's still kind of soggy, but I like it soggy. It's like a muffin. I like my muffin soggy. Anyone else like their stuff kind of a little bit soggy? Not too hard though, right? Hey, y'all, about to peep me in the next Great British Bake Off. You feel me? I'm gonna use I want a real Liverpool accent. Real Liverpool. You feel me? Oh, that was really bad British accent. Don't come for me. That was really bad. Really bad. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? What I mean? Right? Yeah? Right? Yeah? I usually do a better British accent than this. Y'all just got me nervous. Because I'm put on the spot. I'm putting myself on the spot. I was just thinking, I got all these blueberries left over. What am I going to do with them? I could try pancakes. Are pancakes a form of baking? No, I mean, because you make pancakes in a pan, but is it still like, can you call yourself a baker if you're like, yeah, I can do pancakes and French toast? Or you're just like a breakfast person? Does that still make you a baker? I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to try to figure out what to do with all these blueberries. So, yeah, maybe some pancakes or a smoothie, you know, something to do with the blueberries, you know. Okay. First bite. Mm-mm. This really bad. Oh no. Oh no. I mean, yeah. It looks pretty, but ain't the business. Please help. Please. You know, I'm proud of myself for trying anyway. I'm really proud of myself because I don't bake. And I guess there's a reason why I like eating them. But you know what? Practice makes permanent. I'm going to try again. I'm going to try again. After all, you know, this is not a baker attempts to bake. So we're going to see how the next one turns out. Thanks for watching.